Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge MP3 audio files in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on File to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this menu, hover your mouse over Import, and you'll notice another submenu appears. From there, select Audio. This option allows you to bring multiple audio files into your project, which is exactly what we need for merging. Now, here's where you can select all the MP3 files you want to combine. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click on each MP3 file you want to merge together. This lets you select multiple files at once instead of importing them one by one. Once you've selected all the files you need, click Open. After clicking, you'll need to wait a few seconds while Audacity loads all your audio tracks into the project. The loading time depends on how many files you're importing and their sizes, so just give it a moment to finish. With your tracks now loaded into Audacity, navigate back to the upper left and click on Select. From the drop-down menu that appears, click Select All. This highlights all the audio tracks you've just imported, preparing them for the next step in the merging process. Next, in the top toolbar, click on Tracks. Hover your mouse over Align Tracks, and you'll see several alignment options appear. Click on Align End to End. This is crucial because it places all your audio files one after another in sequence rather than stacking them on top of each other. This creates a continuous audio file where each track plays after the previous one finishes. Now click on Tracks again in the top toolbar. This time hover your mouse over Mix, and from the submenu that appears, select Mix and Render. This function takes all your separate tracks and combines them into a single unified audio track. You'll need to wait a few seconds while Audacity renders all your tracks together. During this process, the software is blending everything into one seamless audio file. Optionally, if you want to export your newly merged audio file, click File in the upper left corner, then select Export Audio from the drop-down menu. In the window that opens, click Export to Computer. At the top of this window, you can rename your file to whatever you'd like. If you want to save it in a different location, click the Browse button to choose a new folder. Below that, you'll see a Format option. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select MP3 files to ensure your merged audio exports in the correct format. Finally, click Export and your merged MP3 file will be saved to your chosen location. And that's it. You've successfully merged multiple MP3 files into one continuous audio track using Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.